Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. For installation on a top lock arm, the connector you will need is not installed. You will need to remove the pre-installed connector and replace the P4 connector before you can install your new wiper blade. Remove the blade and additional P4 connector from the package. To remove the installed connector, rotate the connector upside down and push down until it releases from the rivet pin. Slide the connector out from the blade. Align the P4 connector with the rivet bar and snap the connector to the blade. Slide the connector into the wiper arm until the square button on the top clicks into place. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.